Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. So as you can see, I'm already wearing my Diwali attire. I'm in Mumbai. I'm meeting my parents after 2 years. Can you believe that? After 2 years, I'm coming and I'm meeting them. It's been quite a while. I was in Europe for all this time studying and also doing my other stuff. So yeah, you have to watch all my videos on YouTube because I'm coming up with every day a new video and it's a new concept in general. So please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. So let's get into today's topic. It's going to be about Kama Ayurveda face toners. I recently went to Kama Ayurveda store and I'm obsessed with their rose water. And I also purchased with the rose water, the Mogra water, which is also known as jasmine. I would like to take it out. So this is the rose water packaging and this is the jasmine or Mogra water packaging. I really like the packaging in general. I mean, I love Ayurvedic stuff and it's like naturally healing your skin in different ways. As I already said that I'm very obsessed with Kama Ayurveda brand. I keep purchasing their product. The only downside about this company is that they are only here in India. And another downside that I don't really like is their packaging. So stick till the very end. In this video, I'm going to be telling you what are the different benefits of using this Mogra as well as rose water and why there are some things that I don't like about this brand. Alright, so let's just start with the first product and that is the Mogra water. It is also known as jasmine water. If you look at the ingredient list, it's pretty simple. It is made from Mogra plant and the packaging of the product is just mind-blowing and it costs around 1,545 rupees. So quite expensive for most of the Indians here. If you can see the packaging, I'm not happy with the packaging. The packaging of this product is with a plastic bottle and it is like light protectant plastic bottle. But if you could just change it, Kama Ayurveda, to glass, then it would be a really good choice. But the cap is really nice and everything is fine, but just the plastic bottle should be replaced by glass just because we don't want the microplastic to get on our skin and just cause any sort of reaction. To be honest, I love the spray thing. I just wanted to spray a little bit just to show you how it feels. Oh my god, it just smells like Mogra. It's just like natural extracted smell from the flowers. And the best part is like it doesn't stick on your body for a long time. After like 5-10 minutes, the smell goes off and it's just the water. It has such a nice, pleasant aroma. I mean, I just can't stop smelling it. It's just so good. Oh, I love it. I love it. All you can do is just take a little bit and spray it on your face and just let it be there for some time. So now talking about the benefits of the Mogra rose or else the jasmine flower water. It actually helps with healing your skin barrier and it is good for the dry skin type people. If you are someone who's suffering from dry skin and you want a nice toner just to soothe your skin out, this one is a good one because it's one of the properties of jasmine flower is that it helps with the good production of the ceramides as well as lipids that can help with the proper functioning of the skin barrier. And due to this reason, it is a very good choice for dry skin type people. Mogra flower also enhances the production of collagen, which can be really useful for anti-aging purpose. So when you have like a skin which is very prone to sun all the time, then just come back home, take a shower and just spray it on your face and on your face and then just let it get soaked into your skin. And this can be really beneficial for people who are facing like sun damage. So it's also a plus. Mogra water also helps with the scar and blemish marks and it can reduce the appearance of scar as well as blemish. You cannot expect the results instantly. It's an Ayurvedic product. It does take time. When you will be using it consistently for 1 or 2 years, then you will see some difference, and you have to be more consistent for like 5-6 years, and then you might see that your scars or your blemishes are particularly fading. That's how the Ayurvedic products process, because they do take time. It's not an instant result. Did you know the fun fact? Not only for all these benefits, this Mogra water contains benzoic acid, which actually hinders or stops the growth of fungus as well as bacteria on your skin, which can lead to improvement of your skin microflora and can have a healthy skin. That is so cool, right? I mean, I'm in love with Mogra water. I think I'm gonna purchase a lot of them when I'm going to Vilnius again. All right, now it's time for the rose water, the all-rounder product of all in the Kama Ayurveda brand. I have spoken about it in my past videos. I have mentioned it in the description below. Please check it out. And this product just rocks. I mean, this product is just amazing. I mean, look at this bottle. It is again 1,445 rupees. It's not cheap for Indians, but if you can afford it, a really good product to invest into. And to be honest, like I really love how they have formulated this. I think this is the same as the Mogra flower. It's very simple and effective. You just take like rose petals, steam distill production, and then you get this rose water. Again, I did not like the packaging. It's just because it's in plastic, and I am not supporting pollution, you know, and I really like something that's biodegradable, and I support if the brands can come up with the glass bottles, because Kama Ayurveda, you are a really outstanding brand. Maybe you should also think about the environment a little bit and just, you know, do a better packaging in just saving our Mother Earth. I love this as well. It's a body mist and a face mist. You can use it both the ways. If you are more like a natural kind of a person, you can just use it under your arms and just use it as a body mist, but it won't help to control your body odor. But anyways, if you're a person who likes like natural smells, then why not use this one, or Mogra or lavender? There are different choices in Kama Ayurveda. Just check it out and maybe something might win your heart. It's really good product for someone who's traveling to India and who has really sensitive skin. Their skin tends to get red. So my partner's skin tends to get red, so I purchased this product just to spray on him so that the redness is smoothed out. And it's really good because it has different antioxidant properties that can actually remove all the free radicals, helps with the aging process. So it's just such an all-rounder product. I love it. And when you spray it, actually you also feel really good because it enhances your mood. In the Ayurvedic times, the rose water was used for healing the scars and also wounds. So it has the antiseptic properties as well. It really does hydrate your skin. It is really good for the sensitive skin, dry skin, or combination skin. Did you even know that combination skin type people can just spray it on their face every day, and it will control the sebum production over the consistent use for at least 1 year? I mean, there is not a lot of evidence-based scientific studies which say that rose water does help. But when I was having a conversation with the Ayurvedic doctors, they said that maybe if you apply it on your face and just keep applying it for 1 year, it actually improves the functioning of the skin, especially the sebaceous glands, which produce excess sebum, which can lead to oily skin formation. So it's a really good toner, and you should consider purchasing one and use it every day. I mean, I really love both of them. I paid 2,990 Indian rupees to purchase both of them, and they are 200 ml each. So I think it's a good investment. It will last for like 2 months if you use it like 2 times in a day, morning as well as evening. And it's just really good because I think it's a natural product. And I'm a huge fan of Ayurvedic treatments on skin as well as on hair because they do show effect. And I think if you really like Ayurveda or natural products and you're into organic stuff, go for this brand. So that is it for this video. I hope I covered all the points, and I even mentioned that why I did not like the packaging and also what are the different benefits of these toners. So if you have any questions, you can write down in the comment section below, and also reach out to me on my Instagram account. This is my Instagram handle, and thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure that you share it with your friends so that they can be aware of what are the different benefits of rose water as well as mogra. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to click on that bell icon. I will see you soon. Take care and bye.